Good morning, guys. I just bought me a 1941 Plymouth. I got it from a good friend of mine. He passed away 3 years ago, and his brother ended up selling it to me. So I just got it home here. It wasn't running. It's been in a farm under some tarps for 3 or 4 years, and I got it here and I got it running so I can get it in the driveway, but it does need a lot of work, and I'm going to tape this progress and show you guys all that I'm doing to it. I don't have any chrome trim on it. You can see it's gone on there. Needs some body work on there. I already fixed the trunk and got that to latch so that wouldn't pop open on me. And the wheels are going to need to be cleaned up. I got the caps for it, so we'll polish those wheels up, make them look real sharp. I think it's going to be a fun project. I'm going to retire here in a couple years, and think this is going to keep me busy, keep me out of trouble. So hope you guys enjoy this, and I'll show you some more on the inside here. And it's going to need some interior work. It's got some old school carpet. This was a show car back in about 10 years ago. So I'm going to have to get in here, clean this up, and make it look real nice and comfortable, so the wife will want to come in here and go for a ride. So I'll need to get the seats fixed up, change the carpet, interior in there, and just clean her all up. Yeah, I'll need to work on the steering column. It's a little sloppy, so I might have to change the there's like a Teflon knuckle in there, and I don't think it's set up. There's probably a clip or something missing in there, but I'll change the bearings in there, tighten her up. And yeah, we got wires hanging out everywhere on here. We'll have to figure out what's staying and what's going. So let me open up this engine compartment. So like I said, it wasn't running. But I got it running and got a battery in there. Fixed some vacuum lines, and yes, there is no radiator. So I'm not able to drive it. I can run it for a short time here, and that's on order. Should be here by next week or so. And we'll get this looking real nice and sharp. So excited about that. Doesn't look too bad right now. He did give me like 3 boxes of parts I have to go through and see what's needed and what's some extras on here. So let me take you inside this trunk. I think I can go camping back here. This trunk is huge. This is a business coupe, so the trunk goes all the way to the back of the seats. So designed for the businessman to store all his sales inventory back here. But like I said, I have a work and a project ahead of me to do here. But I'm excited about doing this, so I hope you guys continue to watch, and we'll see you in the next video.